Awesome. Awesome looking storm right there. The camera's not really picking it up what my eyes are seeing because I got a crappy camera. But it's in the dead center of the camera right now. There's a shelf starting to drop right out of this cloud. A shelf just dropping right out of it. I can totally see it visibly, straight up, no joke. That's a shelf. Spotted this cloud. It's moving. It's rotating. Check out my radar really quick. Wow, it is much bigger than I thought. It just missed me. There's Trey. Let's go to my radar. You can see it's moving right into me, I guess, in that little blue dot. But the stuff in the south, which is all that dust, yeah. Did I catch that? There's some lightning. I wonder if I caught it. I don't think I did. There's always editing. There's always editing. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. I know what's going on. That's outflow. That's outflow right there in the center. The center, dead center of the storm. There's outflow coming through this thing. This is a microburst. And this thing is about to burst. Holy crap! Holy crap! Large microbursts. Large microbursts. Powerful, intense microbursts. Oh my lord. Intense. In-freaking-tense. Huh? No. I frickin' told you, Trey. Wow. Some trees are gonna lose some branches today. I can see it. Whoa! I'm gonna sleep outside tonight. Screw you, bed. Oh, man. Wow. Unreal. Unreal. I'm gonna get soaked, man. Oh, wow. That's quite a feeling. Oh, man, when you get your camera completely soaking wet. Oh, man. Wow. The wind is intense. Microburst, baby. Woo! Awesome. Oh, oh, holy crap. Okay, that was close. That was really close. Okay, that was really close.